That's such a good pumpkin cheesecake. God, don't say. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to bake one of the easiest desserts ever, a pumpkin cheesecake. We call this 3-step cheesecake because it's as simple as mix, dump, and bake. So if you are short on time or new to baking, this will be a great place to start. So let's get baking. Every great cheesecake starts with cream cheese. Here I have 2 bricks of Philadelphia cream cheese at room temperature. So how do you know if it is ready? When you press it, it yields like that. So this is being at the room temperature for the last 30 minutes. And you want to make sure it's soft so that it blends very nice and silky with other ingredients. And then here I have a ½ cup of sugar and a ½ cup of canned pumpkin that makes the pumpkin cheesecake. ½ teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of ground cloves. And clove is something that people don't often use it, but it adds like a little bit of savoriness in like gingerbread or pumpkin spice flavored dessert. And I have some vanilla and a pinch of nutmeg. All the ingredients are in the bowl, and then we're going to just mix it until nice and smooth. And in between, I like to use a spatula so the mixture is gonna be nice and smooth. And I'm going to blend it a little bit longer. So it's ready to add some eggs. A lot of recipes don't really mention it, but I find it that when the eggs are at the room temperature, it's a lot easier to mix in with the batter. Now I'm going to add eggs all at once and mixing with the blender. So now the cheesecake batter is nice and smooth and it's ready to pour into the crust. So nice and silky in the middle. And you can just use the spatula to smooth the top, just like that. And now it's ready to bake. The oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And you want to put it in the middle, and we're going to wait for 40 minutes. So let's check and see if it is ready. When the cheesecake is done, when you shake cheesecake like this, it's going to jiggle just the middle a little bit. And that means the outside, when you press it, it's nice and bouncy. We're going to place it on the cooling rack for about 45 minutes to an hour so that it has time to cool off before I put it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. And you want to do that so that it has time to cool off and then get firm and it's easy to slice. So I just took the cheesecake out of the fridge, and honestly, that might be the hardest part of making this cheesecake is to wait for 3 hours. But now it's ready to slice a piece. And I want to show you how to get the first piece out. Using the scissors, cut a piece, trying to expose the crust away from the foil. Aim for the center and then go straight down. Look at that, clean first piece out. Every pie needs a little bit of something. I'm going to top it with Cool Whip. And here we go. We have the pumpkin cheesecake. Yum, it's so good. So that's it for how to make a pumpkin cheesecake. Please let me know in the comment section below what kind of dessert you want me to make next time. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The full recipe is linked in the video as well as on myfoodandfamily.com. Thanks and see you next time. I'm gonna take another bite.